Do you want to learn how to add polls to your Instagram Reels? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. I'll take you through the steps of creating a poll sticker, customizing it with your own question and answers, and then adding it to your reel. With just a few simple taps, you can get instant feedback from your followers. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start using polls on Instagram Reels. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then swipe right to open up the Instagram camera. After that, tap on the reel option at the bottom. And now go ahead and record and customize your reel. Once you've created your reel, tap on Next. And now all you have to do next is tap on the sticker icon at the top. And then simply select Poll. After that, enter your question and the answers. And then tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, the poll has been successfully added to the reel. You can also move this around to anywhere you like. After you've added the poll to your reel, simply tap Next and post it to Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.